Hi, hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chong and today I'm going to share with you how to use your smartphone as a webcam to replace your PC or your laptop camera. I believe this is one of the best way, especially nowadays your smartphone have very high resolution camera. So using your smartphone camera definitely is much more higher resolution comparing to your PC. So how do we actually connecting these two camera together? And in your PC, you can use your smartphone camera to present it as a virtual camera. All you need to do is just download one guy called Iriun. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go. The very first thing is go to this website called Iriun.com. Okay, just go to the website and make sure you need to install in both your PC and your smartphone. Your smartphone will install the software to broadcast the camera to your PC, and your PC will host it as a server to receive the signal from the smartphone. Most importantly is this, your PC and your handphone, your smartphone must be connected using the same Wi-Fi. This is only the requirement, and the best thing about the whole stuff is free, 100%. Okay, so you just remember, download this guy, installer as a PC in your PC and install it. Okay, the part will skip because installation is very simple. Once you install it in both your phone and your PC, no sign up, no registration, nothing. Then you can start this program called Iriun webcam. Then you shall see this guy already. Did you see this interface here? This is actually connected to my smartphone. Okay, if you look at my finger here, hi, okay, this guy. And the best thing is, did you see this autofocus? That's the great thing about it. And of course, under this webcam, you can choose up to you any video format you need. Okay, then how you want to use it in your PC, for example, you want to use it as your, let's talk about Google Meet. Okay, let's go to Google Meet. Okay, let's start one, then I'm going to show you. Start an instant meeting, and I'm going to change my camera to this smartphone one. All you need to do is, okay, you need to change your camera. So we go to something we call camera. Let me see, where is the setting? Okay, setting here under video. You shall see this guy called Iriun webcam. After you install the Iriun installer just now, okay, select it. Camera is starting. Okay, and definitely you can't see anything because there's a virtual background. So all I need to do is, let me see how to disable. Okay, we just need to disable the virtual background. Oops. Turn it off. Okay, because you are looking at the same screen, so it will be in this way. So why not I switch it to another side? It's here. Now I'm using my smartphone camera and presenting my Google Meet. So this is how we do use our smartphone camera in our PC. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video just now, as in learn how to use your smartphone camera, which is nowadays your smartphone have a very high resolution camera, and you do want to purchase another gadget or device to use it on your PC while you're doing some video conferencing. One of the best and cheapest way When I say cheapest way, it means you no need to purchase additional device. Just use your smartphone camera on your PC. Okay, I already showed you how to do that, and I hope you enjoyed the whole video just now. Please, if you like the video or like this video, support in terms of like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technology Simplicity, and of course, put the ring so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new tips in PC or tech or web. I hope you enjoyed so far, and again, thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.